Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about what is a star schema. So a star schema consists of one or more fact tables referencing a number of dimension tables. Fact holds quantitative data about a business and dimensions are descriptive attributes. For the sake of example, let's say you have sales. So the sales amount is a quantitative data, but maybe you want to know by which location how much sales did we make by location, or how much sales did we make by customers, or how much sales did we make by geography, or how much sales did we make per month. So that becomes a dimension in a way. So that's essentially what the star schema talks about. And if you look at this, you've got the fact table in the middle, and then the defining attributes are on the sides. So let's just go a step forward, and then we'll just talk through what a fact table is. Fact table record measurements or metrics for a specific event. So like we were talking about sales events. Similarly, you could have account details at month end, like so how much is the balance at the end of month could be an example. You could also calculate total month to date sales, example of accumulating snapshot. So that's another example of quantitative data that a fact table could hold. Let's come on to the dimension tables, and dimension tables usually have a relatively small number of records compared to the fact table. But each record may have a large number of attributes to describe the data. So for example, time for which transactions are recorded. So like you were talking about a dim date or a dim time. And then location for customers. So where is the customer located? Maybe you're doing a bulk of sales in America or in Australia or in India. So that could be the location. And then could be the product sold. What is selling really well for me? Is it electric vehicles? Is it what? So it's that kind of information. Then you can slice and dice by that. Coming to the benefits, so star schema does offer a lot of benefits. It's simple and hence easy to use. So what you try to do is, if you're coming from an application development world, when you build a star schema, it's a very denormalized structure. So essentially, it makes it easier to understand. It's obviously better query performance because what you do is you try to group multiple tables into one bigger dimension, or the data goes into the fact table. So there are less number of tables, and queries take a long time to run because of the joins. So the lesser the joins, the faster the speed. So again, same query optimization. It's perfect for large data sets, and now we've got columnar databases which work really well if it has star schema. So scalability, it's easier to add a new dimension or fact without disrupting existing business processes. So let's say you want to slice by a new dimension, maybe a geography, and you just want to add it to the existing table. You just need to add a column in the fact and then add all the relevant attributes in the dimension table. So it's very easy to plug it in rather than making extensive changes to the ETL for one big table. It's obviously improved data quality and consistency. So when we start talking about star schema, we start talking about confirmed dimensions as well. These are dimensions which are used across the organization, and a lot of people are using them. So it can help because you can start ironing out your data quality issues just because of the usage. So improve data quality and consistency, and then enhance compatibility with BI tools. So Power BI guidance specifically recommends creating a star schema, and then Tableau plays really nicely with the star schema as well. So these are the benefits of a star schema. Then just a few more: agility in handling business changes. So it's a lot easier. So if the business something changes, it's easier to add or to the transformation process. And then integration with data marts. So facilitates integration with data marts, which are subsets of the data warehouse. So these are the benefits of the star schema. I'm going to quickly escape out of this, and I've got a Power BI file open here with me. I'll just see where that my file is. I'll just minimize this. So you can see that I've got the Power BI file, and essentially I've got the fact internet sales like I was talking about. And you can see the dim product, so it has attributes of the product, so product name, dealer, price, color, class. So all of that doesn't go into the fact table. Similarly, attributes of data are clubbed together, like what calendar, what is the month, what is the week. Similarly, customer attributes sit in a customer table, and sales territory. So all these attributes sit in its own table. So it's very modularized, and it's easy to make changes to very specific attributes rather than making changes to one big transformation job. And also with this one, it's it scales up, and it really scales up really well, and then the data quality issues get resolved. So for example, I've built a dim date dimension. It gets used across the organization. I add more and more fields as more people use this, and they request more columns, which can help them slice and dice. So it starts offering more functionality as well. So in this video, essentially we've covered what is a star schema, what are the benefits of a star schema, and we did look at a practical example as well here of the star schema. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.